Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Thins, but for today's video here, we're going to show you how to set up Turtle Beach Stealth 500. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly set up your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 here? Now, in this case, setting up your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 is pretty easy because we could actually refer to manuals that Turtle Beach or guide Turtle Beach has offered to us. Now, there are two versions for Turtle Beach here. You have the Xbox version as well as the PS version, but you could also use both versions here on your PC. But how to exactly use it? Now, for the Xbox version here, this is the steps on setting it up. Now, great thing about the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 here, it already involves or has a dongle on it, which in this case, you just need to connect the wireless transmitter to the USB port on your Xbox here. Now, you want to go and power on your headset and just wait for the headset and USB wireless transmitter to start pairing. Now, for the PS version, the steps is really the same here. Now you could go and just connect the USB port, the transmitter to the USB port here, either on your PlayStation, PC, or Nintendo Switch here. Now, the thing with this one is you just need to power it on and just wait for it to start pairing, and you should be good. Now, it should do the same thing here. It will start pairing. Now, the great thing about for the PS version here is you can use the transmitter here that you have on your PC or Nintendo Switch, which is something really cool. But if you have the Xbox version, you may want to use the Bluetooth functionality here, which in this case on your headset you should see a Bluetooth icon on it. You just need to press and hold that for a few seconds and it will enter pairing mode, and you can just start pairing it via Bluetooth on your other devices like your phone, your tablet, or whatever device. But yeah, so if you want to use this on your Xbox, this is the only way that you can pair this on your Xbox. Now for your PS version, or if you have like PlayStation here, you need to have a PlayStation version of the headset. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to Enough Inspo. Thank you for watching.